Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use HeyGen AI video generator tool. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for HeyGen, then open the official website. Make sure you select the correct link and avoid ads. Once the site loads, go to the avatar section. Next, choose an avatar and voice that matches your content. Consider tone, audience, and language before selecting. Now, locate the script box and enter your text. Keep sentences short, clear, and properly punctuated. This helps the AI generate natural speech and improves pronunciation accuracy. After entering your script, click Generate to start creating the video. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Once ready, preview the video and check for pacing, clarity, and pronunciation. Free plans may include limits like watermarks or shorter video duration. So that's basically how you can use HeyGen AI video generator tool. That's it for this video. Thanks.